All right, here we're gonna be doing a repair, Robbin, Hynson's house. Today is the 17th of June. This is the wind damage shingle we're gonna be replacing. And it's these 3 tabs here. First, I want to note that this roof does have staples on their shingles. So staples are going to be a little bit harder to pull up out of the shingle. Okay, we got nails and staples. Lifting the shingle up as minimally as possible to see where the nail is and to be able to pull it out. Staple here. All right. Take the old shingle out. Install this new shingle. Okay. First nail, I'm going to put it in the sealant zone, nail zone. I have to lift the shingle up this much to be able to hit the nail flush and have the nail head flush with the decking. So to miss the shingle to not damage it, I do have to lift it up a little bit more above the hammer. Okay, that's one. Same here, barely missing the shingle. Same on this spot as well, getting in the nailing zone. Alright, and same on the end. Right in the nailing zone. Okay. Now for these holes, this one was a staple, so I'll go near the same spot right here. Again, barely missing the shingle. I have to lift it up that much to get space. Here I'm going to put the nail in the same hole as previously, which is in the nailing zone. Okay. And same with here. I'm use the same nail hole as previously, which is in the nailing zone. Barely missed the shingle. And this, I can already tell it's failed, but what I'm going to do now is use my glove to wipe the shingle to mimic weathering. So once it rains, these granulars will wash out. You can already see without even doing that. It's a failed repair. And for this instance, we have one shingle here. This is the second shingle. And this shingle ends here, so this is the third shingle. You can clearly see all the granular loss, having the shingle lose its water shedding capabilities. We replaced one shingle, we damaged 3.